Are you struggling to find good fall video ideas for your YouTube channel? Then grab some pen and paper because I'm going to share with you today 30 fall video ideas or autumn video ideas, whatever you want to call them. So I've made this list of so many ideas for you to take inspiration from, regardless of what niche you are in, because there's lifestyle, food, fashion, motherhood. If you find this helpful, do give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more. I'm actually going to have a list of video ideas for Halloween coming up very soon as well, which I will link in the description box once it's up. But let's go ahead and get started with the 30 fall video ideas for YouTube. Let's start with the home decor, homemaking and cleaning niche. If you're in this niche, you could obviously start with doing a clean with me for fall or autumn, where you just kind of go around and clean your house, maybe a deep clean depending on what you want to do, and just get it ready for fall. And then the next video that you could do is a fall decorate with me. So after you've cleaned your house, how you kind of put everything, like all the fall decoration bits that you have, how you decorate your house with them. Next, you could do a wardrobe switchover for autumn. So if you are switching over your clothes from obviously the summery bit to autumn, maybe you could share how you store your summer clothes until next year, how you organize your autumn bits in your wardrobe, and just kind of how you do the whole switchover process. This is a video I'm doing on my other channel as well, which I will link my other channel in the description box too. That's kind of my main channel actually. But yeah, this is a good video idea. Next up, you could do a front porch decorating with me kind of video. So you could decorate for fall your either, whether it's your front porch or just your door, maybe your window display in front of your house or your flat. So just giving some decorating ideas for the front part of your house, and obviously with things that are outdoor friendly. Next up, you could do a fall home decor shopping haul. And a tip I have for you, if you're doing a shopping haul like this with fall decor bits that you have found, I recommend putting in your video title the name of the shop that you went to, because that's a really good search point. Like, people will usually search for the store itself because they want to see what's in that shop at the moment for fall. So you could do that, and you could also add in the title the month maybe, or you could just say autumn 2021. So just make it a bit more searchable that way. You could also do a fall home tour where you just go around all over your house or your flat and share exactly how you decorated for autumn and all the little bits that you got in your home. If you're in the kind of DIY craft niche, you could do a DIY fall wreath. Maybe you could gather all of these bits from maybe the Dollar Tree if you're in the US, or if you're in the UK like me, you could go to Poundland and get really budget-friendly bits and share how you create a fall wreath with those. Or you could just create a video on DIY fall decorations where you could do anything for fall or autumn. So anything from pumpkins or anything with leaves, absolutely anything you can think of for home decorations for fall. If you're a mom vlogger, you could also do a fall nature activity ideas for kids. During fall, it's just, there's so many things you could look at, like the leaves. So maybe you could put together a list of ideas, like maybe a treasure map, or just things they can take off a list that they can find. So just giving ideas on what you could do in nature with children during autumn. And then also you could do a fall crafts ideas with children as well. So just different ideas of what you could do with kids at home, maybe using things that you find in nature, or just craft bits that you got from, I don't know, Poundland maybe. If you're in the food niche, or even if you're in a lifestyle niche but you just kind of want to get inspiration for food video ideas, you could create an easy baking recipes for fall. So whether that's cookies, cupcakes, I don't know, whatever you can think of for baking. Or you could do a video on comfort foods for fall, which is always really nice because everybody wants comfort food now that autumn is here. You could also do a what I eat in a day, kind of like the autumnal edition, so where you share your breakfast, lunch and dinner, maybe the snacks that you have in between, and just kind of what you eat in a day during fall. You could also do a pumpkin spice recipe ideas. So whether that's drinks, or maybe you can put them in, I don't know what else you make with pumpkin spice. Is it pies or cupcakes or anything like that? Anything you can think of with pumpkin spice. Because this is something that's searched for a lot on YouTube during fall and kind of going into the Halloween season as well. You could also do a best slow cooker recipes for fall, where you share how you use your slow cooker or crock pot, whatever you call it, during autumn. So just kind of some really nice recipes that you can do in there. And then you can do a fall grocery haul if you do kind of more themed grocery hauls where you get obviously things that are more comforting, things that are more nicer for fall. And you could also do a fall meal prep video where you share how you prep your food for the week in advance. So for example, on a Saturday or Sunday evening, you just kind of prepare all of this food to go in containers in your fridge, so you have them throughout the week. So if you do that, this is a really good video for you to make. Then let's move into the kind of lifestyle and more random type of videos. So you could do a top 5 or 10 autumnal movies that you like to watch on Netflix, or just the best ones that you have found on Netflix so far. You could do a vlog at the pumpkin patch. These are really popular because obviously a pumpkin patch is just such a good activity to do for fall. And you could also do pumpkin carving ideas maybe within that video as well to make it a bit more searchable. You could do a come shop with me video for fall where you could go to just one of your shops that you like to shop in for fall, like Dollar Tree or Poundland, or I just did one recently for Primark, which was very popular. So obviously depending on where you live, you could go to one of the shops that's more autumnal where they have fall bits in there, and you could share a come shopping with me in that shop so that people can see what's in their store for autumn winter. You could also do a cozy autumn morning routine where you obviously share your morning. That's kind of, maybe you could film this at a weekend when you have more time, and you can just share what you do to feel nice and cozy on an autumn morning. And then you could also do a cozy autumn evening routine where obviously you share kind of your wind down routine at the end of the day. You could also do a workout routine for fall if you kind of switch things up during this season. And you could also do a get it all done with me video, which these types of videos are kind of they do include maybe cleaning, maybe decorating, maybe cooking. So it's just that type of video where you include more activities than just cleaning or just tidying. So you could do this in a fall edition as well. So moving on to the fashion videos, you could do a fall outfits ideas. People always love getting outfit ideas, don't they? I actually do quite a lot of outfits over on my Instagram as well. If you have been buying fashion items for your kind of autumn wardrobe, you could do a fashion haul for fall items, and you could also do a fall capsule wardrobe if that's something that you do. So just kind of maybe showing, I've seen these things go around kind of like 20 items, 40 outfits or something like that, if you know what I mean. So just kind of taking some basic staple items and then turning them into tons of outfits. That's pretty much what a capsule wardrobe is. So if you do that, this is a really good video for you to film. And then for beauty videos, you could do a skincare routine for fall, because a lot of people change up their skincare routines during autumn winter because obviously it's a bit more cold, your skin gets a bit more dry. So this would be a good video for you to film if you are into that. You could also do your favorite makeup look for fall if you change up maybe your eyeshadow colors or anything like that. And you could also do a fall nail art video where you kind of share inspiration for how people can do their nails, just kind of maybe a bit more creatively than a regular white nail polish like I always wear. But yeah, those are all of my fall video ideas for YouTube. I do hope you have found this helpful. If you did, give this video a thumbs up, and I will link down below the video on Halloween video ideas if you're doing that during October. And yeah, do subscribe for more videos like this, and do let me know in the comments below what other videos you would like to see from me. Maybe if you need more YouTube tips, do let me know so that I know to create more of these. But yeah, I hope you're having a good day, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys!